Hi and welcome to the channel. My name is Heiko. In today's video we want to talk about compost. And you know, I've found a lot of videos out there from YouTubers that recommend using cardboard like this for your compost. But that this is a very bad and unhealthy idea, I want to explain you in that video. Let's go. So the question is, why the people want to use cardboard in their compost? It is easy. It is a very good insulation. As you can see, this hot cup, no problems with that. It can help to prevent your compost from cooling down. It is made from wood, so it's a brown component of your compost, and it can hold moisture up to a certain extent, so that or to a certain degree. So it will prevent your compost from drying out. This is what the most gardeners like in their compost. But then why we shouldn't use it? The problem is what it is made of. And now we're coming to the core why we have a problem here. Yeah, well, your cardboard is mostly made of old newspapers. It's recycling. Good, brilliant. The problem is that the print industry in most countries is not part of the food industry, so they are allowed to take everything they want as an ink. And most inks, there are more expensive ones available without mineral oil, but the most contain mineral oil. And this is in the paper. If they recycle and try to produce cardboard, they wash out a lot, but not everything. And if you search the internet for cardboard contaminating food and so on, or leftover mineral oil in cardboard, you will find studies that these studies show that even the food that is packed in the cardboard is contaminated by the vapors of the leftovers. So that is the amount we're talking about. So if you throw that or use that in your garden, you contaminate your garden with mineral oil. That's the end of the story. And even if your country has a different regulation about the print industry and so on, cardboard is a very international product. So even the cardboard from your package at home that you receive from somewhere can contain mineral oil because it's from Germany, from China, from wherever on the planet. So my strong advice, never use that in your garden. So I hope I could inform you about this danger, and I hope you won't use it in your garden. So stay safe, we see us next time around. Happy crafting!